Moon and Jupiter form a real cosmic dream team today and provide us with a lot of confidence and harmony. We value a more human and fair interaction and feel comfortable in the company of others. The day is thus ideal for fostering team spirit and emphasizing the commonalities that connect you with other people. Now it's all about the we and making sure everyone is doing well and not just individuals benefiting from something. First-person shooters don't stand a chance today under the Moon-Jupiter trine. Aries. To fight or not to fight may be the question of the day for you. Your sensitive, feminine side is likely to say one thing while your masculine, warring side is apt to say another. The key is for you to not act too hastily in any situation. Make sure you proceed from a neutral platform instead of reacting from a point of anger or aggression caused by someone or something else. Taurus. Try to accept that you can't be everywhere at once, nor can you get everything done when you're feeling stressed. Today is a lovely day to take a long break, whether it's you drinking your tea more slowly than usual or walking a couple paces less quickly. Whatever it is, slow down. Gemini. You might wake up this morning, look in the mirror and decide that you hate what you see, even though you probably look fine. Therefore, this is a good day to shop for new clothes or get that haircut. Perhaps you're feeling a little blue, and getting out and indulging yourself is more a necessity than a luxury. But don't overindulge in food or drink at this time, tomorrow you might not like the consequences. Cancer. Your passions could be stirred up today. You might overhear a remark that gets your blood boiling. Or you could hear something on the news that provokes an intense response. Use your reaction in a positive way. Maybe it's time to gather together with people who share your views. You could get involved with a political cause. Or you might take up a spiritual pursuit through your church or local community. Leo. You might not see eye to eye with someone today. Sometimes you can get swept up in passionate opinions. It's easy for you to believe that your way is right and the other person's way is wrong. But things aren't quite so black and white right now. Today you might need to look for gray areas. Find common ground and search for a compromise today. You'll sleep better if you do. Virgo. You might need to pay attention to scheduling today. You don't always keep track of the date and the time. But you could have an important appointment or date. Or you might have a personal deadline for a project or goal. Make sure that you are keeping track of all of your obligations. That way, you won't miss anything. Libra. You could be feeling sluggish today. Your desk could be piled high with papers that need attending to. No matter how much you push yourself, it still could be difficult to get everything done. Try to be realistic and just focus on the tasks that need to be finished today. Other, less essential things, you might want to leave for tomorrow. Don't be mad at yourself for not completing everything, as things will be moving along slower than expected. Scorpio. Today you could find yourself in a meeting where people are uninformed about the topics in front of them. You might have more knowledge and experience in the area being discussed, so speak up and share your point of view. Sometimes you are too modest about your abilities and too humble about your background. You need to make a move and shake people up a little so that they start appreciating your skills more. Sagittarius. At some point during the day, you might find yourself involved in a project that piques your interest far more than usual, and you could throw yourself more deeply into it than is necessary at this time. Take care that this doesn't distract you from what needs to be done, however. Your innate wisdom is especially sharp, and you can use your intuition to gain valuable practical knowledge. Spend the evening meditating. Capricorn. This is a good day to bring your fantasies down to earth. At first you may be feeling an inclination to resist this force, but in the end you will find that it will do you a great deal of good to connect with the ground at this time. Go for a walk in the woods, or do some pottery. Start an indoor garden or plant some herbs on a box by your windowsill. Give your feet a rub down tonight, or better yet, have someone do it for you. Aquarius. Social responsibilities may appear to be hitting you all at once. Everyone you know seems to crave your company at this time. As a naturally polite and socially astute person, you may feel obliged to accommodate them all and accept all invitations. This is not a good day, however, to commit yourself. Wait a few days until you're feeling a little more balanced, then send out your RSVPs. Commit only to those who you would genuinely enjoy.